A simple guide to creating and managing groups in Azure AD. Creating and managing groups in Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, is an essential task for IT admins, helping organize users and devices effectively. While the Microsoft 365 Admin Center offers a more guided, wizard-like experience, the Azure AD portal provides a streamlined interface for creating groups with a more direct approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you easily create and manage groups in the Azure AD portal. Steps to create groups in Azure AD portal. Access the Azure AD portal. Navigate to the Azure AD portal, https://aad.portal.azure.com. In the left-hand menu, select Groups. Create a new group. Select the All Groups tab by default, then click New Group. Fill in the group details. Group type, choose either Security or Microsoft 365. Group name, enter the name of your group. Group description, this field is optional. Group email address, only required for Microsoft 365 groups. Configure membership settings. You can allow Azure AD security roles to be assigned to the group by selecting Yes. The group must have assigned membership for this. Choose the membership type. Assigned, admins manually assign members to the group. Dynamic user/device, members are added based on set rules. Microsoft 365 groups can only have assigned or dynamic user membership types. For dynamic groups, if you're creating a dynamic group, click Add Dynamic Query to define the rules for group membership. In the Dynamic Membership Rules page, configure rules based on attributes like job title or department, e.g., only users from the engineering department. Preview the rules results by validating it against sample users. Finalize and create the group. Once everything is set, click Create to finalize the new group. Managing groups and editing rules. You can edit an existing group by selecting it and changing its membership type from assigned to dynamic, but note that you cannot change the group's type, security to Microsoft 365, once created. You also cannot change whether a group is eligible for Azure AD role assignment after creation. Future changes, Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Microsoft is gradually transitioning identity management tasks from Azure AD to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, https://entra.microsoft.com. Over the next few years, expect Microsoft Entra to become the primary hub for managing identities, roles, and governance. Conclusion. Managing groups in the Azure AD portal offers flexibility, allowing you to define groups with assigned or dynamic membership based on user or device attributes. While